4K, HD, 720p, all of these deal with the resolution of your video. Which one is best? Which one is right? Next on the Compel Media Moment. Resolutions are actually a big deal when producing your videos. For years, we only had one resolution.
We called it NTSC or SD video, and it was only 720 by 480 pixels.
But what did that even mean?
When you got really close to a TV screen, you could see it was made up of a bunch of teeny dots. Each one of these dots is capable of producing up to millions of colors. Each dot represents 1 pixel. So it would be 720 pixels wide by 480 pixels high, a total of 345,600 pixels. After SD came 720 and 1080 HD. The resolutions of 720p is 1280 by 720 pixels, while 1080 video is 1920 by 1080 pixels, 4 times that of SD resolution.
The latest and best resolution in television is now 4K.
Usually it has a resolution of 3840 by 2160, or 4 times full HD, and is sometimes called UHD.
So when you're recording with a camera that records in 4K, you're recording a huge amount of information.
Right now, TV networks do not broadcast in 4K, but you can buy Blu-ray 4K DVDs and watch programming in 4K using the internet. Most screens for sale are now 4K. For the longevity of your camera, buying 4K is a good idea.
The challenge comes when storing and editing that 4K video, because those files are so large. I'll cover some solutions in another video. When your company is ready to hire a producer for an upcoming marketing video project, we'd love to be a resource for you. Please reach out to me by phone, email, or through one of our social media platforms, and I'd be glad to meet with you and your team. Thanks for watching. I look forward to making you more successful in your video marketing efforts.